Hey guys, Jeb Jacob here. Today I'm going to show you my deck. It's made of Pokemon cards. This one is made up of the Blue Assault Team deck, a booster pack, and a couple of cards I got. So first, this is Emboar, Blitzle, Water Energy, Zweilous, Lightning Energy, Water Energy, Yamask, Flygon, Tranquill, Simipour, Pidove, Dua, Illusion, Heatmor, Torterra, Yamask, Aeron, Lightning Energy, Potion, Axew, Lucario, Oshawott, Ducklet, Energy Retrieval, Water Energy, Electro-Galactic. I'm pretty sure if I have not shown the Lucario, it's also that one. This Lucario is also Galactic. Pidove, Basculin, Lightning Energy, another one, Energy Retrieval, Galvantula, Simipour, Tranquill, Water Energy, another one, Ducklet, Sableye, Professor Juniper, Energy Search, another one, Oshawott, Lightning Energy, Chimicho, Pokeball, Oshawott, Revive, Dewott, Potion, Joltik, Psychic Energy, Revive, Dialga Level X, Panpour, Professor Juniper, Blitzle, Swanna, Rare. You guys might not or might see that tiny little star, I'm not sure. My rare Holo Samurott, Water Energy, another Lightning, Pidgey, Holo Circle, Swoobat, Pokeball, Bisharp, Water Energy, Larvesta, Pidove, Panpour, Water Energy, another Water Energy, Water Energy, Panpour, Reuniclus, not sure if this one's rare. Oh wait, it is. So yeah, it's rare. Basculin, and finally my Metal Bisharp reverse, because it has the metal signature coming out. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. I'm going to post some other videos too, so stay tuned.